Are you tired of wrestling with pet hair, dust, and debris? Meet the Homeika Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a powerful and intelligent cleaning solution that redefines your cleaning experience. With its sleek design and advanced features, this vacuum is more than a cleaning tool. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. IC LED display. Take control of your cleaning with the innovative IC LED display. Get real-time information on the vacuum cleaner's performance, including runtime, floor brush status, and power mode. Stay informed and in command as you effortlessly move through your cleaning tasks. 2 powerful suction modes. The Homeika Cordless Vacuum is armed with a robust 200-watt upgrade motor offering 2 powerful suction modes. In the maximum mode, experience an incredible 20 kPa suction power, effortlessly capturing pet hair, cat litter, and dirt, whether on carpets or hard floors. Enjoy the flexibility to adapt to your cleaning needs. Better cleaning results. Say goodbye to fine particles with the 7-layer sealing filtering system. This vacuum captures an impressive 99.99% of particles as small as 0.1 The strong centrifugal force effectively separates dirt, delivering pure air and a faint fragrance. Remember to regularly clean the filter sponge to maintain optimal performance. Up to 30 mins of runtime. Experience uninterrupted cleaning with detachable high-performance batteries, providing up to 30 minutes of runtime. Clean with confidence, knowing you have the power to tackle your entire home in one go. 180 degrees rotatable brush and LED headlights. Navigate effortlessly around your home with the 180 degrees rotatable brush and LED headlights. Illuminate and trap hidden debris with precision, ensuring no corner goes untouched. Enjoy a thorough and efficient cleaning experience. 1.5-liter XL Dust Cup. The removable 1.5-liter XL Dust Cup with CleanTouch Dirt Ejector ensures a mess-free cleaning process. Say goodbye to the hassle of frequent emptying and keep your focus on achieving a spotless home. Purchase with confidence. Homeika stands by its product with 24/7 customer service and a lifetime 100% satisfaction guarantee. Purchase with confidence, knowing that your cleaning needs are backed by a brand dedicated to your satisfaction. In conclusion, the Homeika Cordless Vacuum Cleaner isn't just a vacuum, it's a game changer. Elevate your cleaning routine with intelligence, power, and efficiency. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.